Let's see, I got my keys. Which one? Got the 59, 71. There we go. All right, let's head out. It's about 38 degrees out there, so might as well bring a coat. I also might as well check the mail. I have some RC car parts showing up for the good old Nitro Rustler. I have a backplate seal, and I have a also a Lexan body for the low C8. So I'm gonna check to see if we got anything. Sadly, I didn't get anything in the mail, but I'll start heading over there. It is literally a 2-mile walk, so I'll catch you guys later. Almost there. All right, made it to storage. Let's see how she's doing. All right, guys, we are here at the 71 Mercury. You can tell I have a slight vacuum leak for my headlights, but that's all right. We'll get her going here in a second. And our first stop is AutoZone to buy the clay bar and buy all that stuff that we need to detail this thing. I already have the thermostat housing gasket, and again, we'll see if we get to that. All right, I know I have to clean my windshield, but let's get this started here. And just like that, she is started up. Literally less than 5 seconds and I got her started, so not bad. I am at 1/8 of a tank, so on our way back from AutoZone I might stop at a gas station. We'll see. This thing eats gas, man. Absolutely eats it. Alright, so just give me a few minutes, like 60 seconds here, just get everything lubricated and I'll get going here. Barely hear this thing, it's so nice. Alright, got everything I need. And then, so I'm gonna be getting clay bar, the clay bar lubricant, I'm gonna be getting wax, and obviously paying for the car wash as well. We're just doing exterior, no interior, but I'll come back to get some leather detailer for my other car, because it desperately needs that. Alright, let's get going here. Let me try to not hit the Monte Carlo right there, because that would suck. And it looks like I'm gonna have to possibly make a 3-point turn, maybe not. Oh, lucky me, I made it. Okay. Nice, nice. And here we go, we are off. Vents in the floor, they make a lot of noise, don't they? We got some Vespas, a couple of sport bikes, Audi TT, another sport bike. Got a Ferrari over there. What is that? Someone in the comments tell me what that thing is. I have no idea. That white one to your right, yeah. Give a little bit of gas here. Come on, come on. I'm trying not to floor it, still warming up, so. Okay. Let's try that. Guy behind me totally almost hit me. Let's go around this way. Since I have to, because it's so long, it's only one thing I can do here. Go around this way. Almost at daylight here. Oh, what we got over here? What's that? We got some old fender parts. What the hell? Alright. Let's try my best to get out of here now. Holy God, I can't believe I caught that. Holy Round. That is why you go around. Holy dude. Oh my God. What the hell, dude? Holy. I can't believe I got that on camera. Oh my God. I got that. All right, let's try not to do this to my car now. Okay, we're good, I can't believe I just got the camera. Holy. What the Oh my God, man. What the hell? What the hell? That's crazy, dude. Holy I can't even They just dude. Oh man, how the hell does someone do? Oh, I thought they'd be smarter than that. That's why I always go around. I mean, holy crap. I cannot believe I just camera, dude. Okay, let's pull a U-turn here. I'm trying to get hit. Oh, that would suck if that was my car. Oh man. Holy crap, dude. I can't believe I caught that. What was that, a Pathfinder, an Xterra? What was that? I don't know what that was, but... See, I think we might be clear here in a second. It's a really hard turn to make, but... Okay, I'm gonna let these people go. Let the car warm up a little bit. Should be fine. I think that's fine. We're good. Okay, let's see if I can pull you through here in the Napa parking lot. Probably can. Check the blind spot here. That got me shaking, dude. That was a sketch fest and a half right there. That was a hard hit. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's $5,000 right there. They really is something. It's a bad bump. Good. Yeah, that bump was. Oh man. I need to bleep so much of this out right now. That got me scared what that person did back there. Oh damn. Just pulled into AutoZone. Let's take this spot right here. Oh man, bad drivers in Utah, what can I tell you? Alright, so after all that, I did get the clay bars, and I got some instant detailer, so these will slide quite well. It says to use that, so I'm just gonna do what they said. I forgot microfiber towels. I might need those. Actually, it's not too dirty. That's pretty clean. I think I'll go in and grab one more. Alright, I decided not to film the drive since it was pretty dangerous to have the mount right there blocking my view of that side. So I decided just to drive over here. But we are at the wash spot on State Street, and I'm going to be giving this thing a rinse off, and we'll see what it looks like when it's done. I'm also going to do the undercarriage, so let's get going on that. it's time to rinse it off. Well, that's nice. We don't have a nozzle for that. Well, good to know if you buy this complete kit, it also includes the instant detailer, and I have wax afterwards as a spare. So that's really good to know, and it was a really good deal. For an employee discount at AutoZone, it came out to around $34. Gosh, I am dumb. It also comes with a microfiber towel. Nice. Just using the spray wax here and the clay bar to get that surface nice and slick. And we're gonna take a microfiber to this in a second, and we'll see how that goes. Let's get a little bit right there. Just back and forth like that. Let's get this portion here. Yep. Still got plenty of lubricant for that. A little bit of dirt right there. Let's get that. Come on. Cool, got it. Alright guys, I just finished clay barring the hood. That is shiny. Wow. That is really, really coming back. Look at that. Gotta do that side a little more, but this side is all done. Nice and reflective. Alrighty, quick update. I got the hood nice and glossy, and I'm currently working on the front clip, and I'm getting it quite a bit here. It's still gonna take a little bit of time, but I'm getting there. And the hood looks quite nice. It needs to be waxed, obviously, but certainly am getting there. Starting on the fender here, and I'm just going back and forth here. Slow strokes. Alright, I just finished clay barring this fender. As you can see, you can actually see my reflection in here. If you look, and then if you look over here, nothing. So that is crazy good stuff right there. Look at that hood. Wow. And right here, no reflection. Here, a little bit of reflection. Here's a perfect example of the difference. You look there, that's a clay barred, and that's a non-clay barred. Alright, here's an update for you guys. Car is looking absolutely fantastic. I'm onto this first door on this side. But look at how beautiful that trunk turned out. Got the hood, which also turned out beautiful. And it is just coming along fantastic. Well, I must say, it looks like a whole new car. I mean, look at this. That is just so much better. I mean, that is something else. Wow. So much more shiny. Look at that. Look at that stuff, man. It's crazy, dude. Look at that shine. Beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. The trunk looks way better. See that? Damn. Here's how you really know it's clean. Look at that. Holy crap. Well, that's it for this video. We got the car back in storage. That's the AutoZone I was just at. So it's literally right across the street. And yeah, basically turned out really good. I have tons of pictures of it, and it just looks, it brought it from about a 3 out of 10 to like a 6 out of 10, which I am very happy with, to be honest. I've never done this before. It's probably not the best job in the world, but I'm happy with it, and I think that's what matters most. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog I did, and if you like this kind of content, subscribe and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you like to see. You like the how-tos, the vlogs? What are you guys interested in? So let me know. Thank you.